Welcome to Dianya's kitchen. So let's begin. Add 1 cup butter. You could use salted or unsalted. The same amount of sugar. Here we are using brown sugar. You can also use white sugar. Beat, beat, beat. Beat them, beat. And there it is ready. Now, all beaten. Let's add 2 eggs, one by one. Mix. Add the other egg. Now the next ingredient, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. It's going to be smelling great with this. There you go. So in a bowl, we're going to add 3 cups whole wheat flour. You could also use all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons baking powder and half a teaspoon salt. Then we give it a gentle whisk. Can I whisk? I wish to do it now. And then you can add the cream mixture inside. Remember, little by little. And now you're going to add 2 cups chocolate chips. A special ingredient. Yeah. Woohoo! So yummy. And mix it in with the dough. Mixture. It's going to be very nice outcome. Knead? Actually, don't knead it, but it's a very funny feeling. Cool. Very funny. Very rocky. Because even the chocolate chips, they're just like chocolate rocks. Yes. There you go. We've kneaded in the chocolate chips. Doesn't it look delicious? Yep, it surely does. And here we have a tray greased and lined with parchment paper. Ooh, now let's see. Ooh, there it is. An ice cream scooper. Let's scoop some dough. We are using an ice cream scooper because it divides each chocolate even. And you could also roll the dough with your hands. In just small cookie balls. Yum, this is looking great. Let's just add a little more dough. Scrape it off. And scoop. Wow. at 180 degrees Celsius for until the sides of the cookies turn golden. Or you could even refrigerate it for an hour or a day. We are going to refrigerate it now. So till the cookies are refrigerating, we are going to clean up. So we are going to take it out of an oven after letting it cool for some time inside it. I tell that you must use adult supervision. Look how delicious it come out. So now we are going to take one for taste test. Look how soft it's from inside. Ooh.